One of my favorites, video sales letters. This one requires, especially if maganda ka, guwapo ka, charismatic ka, para to sa'yo. Or if hindi naman, this news, you don't even have to show your face. You can just read the script and then that is your presentation. So video sales letters, they're modern digital storytelling. There's multimedia persuasion. I always encourage people to use their face here kasi it builds trust. There's personal connection at scale and it offers complex communication. The problem is sometimes, how many of you have seen websites, ang daming text? May tawag dyan long form sales letter. Ang daming text, which you will see probably later on. Text, there's just so much and you don't even want to read. In fact, one of the things that I do is I don't even read much on the website. I just read the header, the social proof, and then the guarantee, and then the price. Yan lang yung binabasa ko whenever I want to buy something. But most people don't even read. And then complex offers need demonstration. For example, AI or softwares. How can you demonstrate, diba? Or even worse, right? Mga meditation techniques. How can you even demonstrate that if you're not going to use video? Okay? Limited engagement with content. So the solution, you have to create an engaging video presentation. And by the way, by script yan. For you to be able to make a very good, what's the word I'm looking for, video sales letter, there's a script. There's already a proven framework or proven ways to make video sales letters. And again, a bot has already been trained on how to access that or how to make that for you. Okay? So there's a story-driven explanation, multi-sensory experience here, and it's scalable. So if you notice, ito yung video sales, then there's the upsell or downsell page, and then there's order confirmation page. So key component, attention grabbing, hook, problem, and agitate. And that's a framework. Problem, agitate, song, framework. And then a call to action. Hook. Bakit may hook? Diba? If you notice when you scroll on Facebook, if you don't have a hook, if a video doesn't have a hook, you don't stop. Diba? If nagdo-doom scroll ka. If there's a hook, it makes you stop and watch. For example, first 10 seconds is crucial. If it's something weird, usually you stop. If tinatawag ka personally, you'd probably stop. If they clap, and if there's a very core benefit na hina-highlight nila, let's say something that you're really looking to mind. For example, sa t-shirt for exercisement, diba? That would make me stop. So that's a very good hope for me. Then, problem and agitate. Ano ba yung mga problema? Are you 20 years old but your body is like 30? Maybe it's because of your work, or maybe it's because of your posture. How many of you have back pain because at such a young age, because you don't have the right chair? Something like that. And then consequence of exploration. So you build emotional connection and then you show the consequence. And then you present the solution. If you're not going to fix your back pain issue now, your neck, your knees are going to fail you when you're 30. So here's the solution. At ergonomic chair, that's 20,000 pesos. Joke lang. So you introduce the solution or the vehicle, the product introduction, the benefits, the unique advantage that it has, and then you add a call to action. Here, next steps, urgency, risk person. So real world examples, health supplements, SaaS platforms, online courses, physical product usage or demonstration. For example, Legion Goes. Legion Goes would be ang sarap i-gawa ng video sales letters. So the analogy, it's like a TED Talk, but it's optimized for selling. So TED Talks actually sell a lot of things. If you're a speaker or an authority, you sell a lot of books. If you're featured on TED, you sell a lot of courses if you get featured on. Okay, so it's the same element. They combine education with persuasion to create a story-driven way to get you to buy. So key takeaways, multi-sensory, complex topic simplification. You simplify something complex. You deliver a message consistently. May back pain ka dahil yung posture mo, you don't have a good chair. You're slackish because you don't have the right nutrition. Higher engagement rates and then it's scalable. That's a video sales center. Next, I'm just going to speed this through. Very similar to a squeeze page, but this is also one of my favorites. Bakit? How many of you would like to stop chasing leads and have leads chase you? Type me in the chat box. Yung mga customers nakakainis, minsan hinahapon mo na, you give them everything that they want, pero parang sinapa yung amay ayaw sa'yo. Right? This is the solution. Now, you know what? Let them come to me. I want to attract customers. I don't want to chase.